everyone, thank you for watching. I'm Mick and today I'm very excited as I got my hands on my childhood dream car, the Honda Civic EK9. And yes, this is the original model that comes with red badges. Thank you to the owner that allowed me to drive and review these precious machines. EK9 is the first Civic model that born into the R family, and it is the third car to be given the Type R badge after the 1992 NSX-R and the 1995 Integra DC2. The EK9 is actually based on the EK4, where the engineers will go to the production line and choose a random EK4 and do their magic to turn that car into the Type R model. This EK9 is equipped with a 1.6 litre hand-ported B16B engine. The engine produced 182 horsepower with 160 Nm of torque. This engine produced one of the highest power outputs per litre of all time for the NA engine. The VTEC will kick in at 6000 RPM, and you'll know it when the engine draws a little bit louder, and that is when the car runs at its full potential. Along with the hand-ported engine, Honda also fitted a front helical limited slip differential and a very close ratio 5-speed manual gearbox. What differentiates the EK9 and the other EK family is the seam welded monocoque chassis, which is the first at the time. This is to improve the chassis and also the cornering performance. Everybody recognizes the famous front fascia, as we used to see a lot of EK sedans here, which in my opinion is still a good looking car, even on today's standards. The car design is pretty basic, with a big reflector headlamp and a slimmer front grille. This EK9 is a pre-facelift model, so it comes with the orange turn signal at the back. The facelift model features a revised front bumper and a clearer turn signal at the back here. The EK9 sits on the 195/55 R15 tyres. I can't remember the original tyre when the car is coming out, but the EK9 that we have here is fitted with the Michelin Pilot Sports 3. And one thing to differentiate between the original EK9 or the EK4 is the 5 knuckle that available on the EK9. I still remember when I was a kid that I drew over sport bucket seats. At that time, it was a golden era for a sports car from Japan. We got the Skyline, the Evolution, the Supra, the Impreza, just to name a few. And all of them feature a bucket seat either from Recaro or Sparco. For this EK9, it features a red bucket seat from Recaro. The inside is still in pristine condition, as the owner has restored the interior to its glory days. Only the radios has been changed to the aftermarket, as the owner want to install the reverse camera. Actually, there's nothing much to talk about the interior of the car, as the car from this era actually are pretty basic, with manual control for everything. Only the windows come with the auto up and down function. Now, let's go and listen to the VTEC Pro. I can't deny that EK9 is a good looking car, even today. The fact that the car is born in 1997, and I think it's unbelievable because the design is still looking good, modern and fresh. I want to talk about the drivability. In my opinion, the car feels similar to the Saga that I used before. Even if you are not a daily manual driver, with this, I think you want to drive it every day. We know that the car produces 180 horsepower with 160 Nm of torque, and for today's standard, this figure is not that much. But it's not always about the numbers, it's about the driving experience. The car comes with a great package, where the Honda engineers install the sway and struts bar. The car feels planted when you take the hard cornering, and it also gives you the VTEC Pro when you need one. I can't believe that this car is born in 1997 though. It is what, 25 years away? And the car is still running good even today. And in my opinion, it's still relevant if you want to purchase it now. The price has gone up higher than your Bitcoin. If you ask me, if I can turn back time to the good old days, I'll definitely buy this car. I really want to thank the owner of this car because of giving me the opportunity to drive my childhood dream car. And I feel like my childhood dream has been fulfilled today. And to Naveen, sorry man, I know this is your favorite car also.
Wow! Civic EK9 Type R! Oh, my dream car! Love it!
But you are not here to be with me to get a chance to drive these machines. Maybe next time, Naveen. And would you like to see more Type R model in our video? Let us know in the comment below. Please remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get the latest video from us next time. I'm Ik signing off for this video. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. See you again next time. Bye bye.